Bola, bola everyone. Just showing you this cultural display of the Busan people in Korea. Enjoy. Hello. Bola, bola, bola vitaka, dear friends. It's a beautiful Sunday afternoon, very hot, but very fortunate to have the cultural display of the people of Busan. Hola, Dalvina. Hola. Carrying a royal letter, the official diplomatic carrying the That's the auditorium where we had the cultural opening. The President of Korea opened our event. It was a very highly secured event, but we were very fortunate to meet him. And this is where our meeting is happening for the session of the World Heritage Committee at the Baxco venue. Now we propose in full formation for setting sail for Japan. 잠시만요. Talking on wood carving. They're going to do a demonstration of what life was like back in the day. Ortona Chukumiluya, they connect with Japan. Ortona Chukumurung, Ortona Group Korea.
그늘에 있잖아. 여기 있다, 여기.
Iya, kok ngaya dengan update leka-leka Busan. Bulebinak everybody. Annyeonghaseyo. Greetings from Busan. We've just been in a very special meeting. A lot of our World Heritage sites have been accepted. Wilikino Iran, Wilikino Greece, Finland, Watake Syria. Yeah, very interesting. So here we are. Kata-kata na singa. It's very hot. Wala ka nang rito sa tutugan na itong durito. Very, very hot. Bulebinak. Happy Sunday to all of you. Ako na nga nga ni Sam Chukmikina. Ula labin ni tamani, pula rate mori, pula binak Maximilian Bombao. Oh, wala ka na meke. Wala kata-kata.